friend, this is Tina. Let's show you the picking folder line with the 2-color printing in our factory ready for shipment. This is the video for these machines. You see here, this is the closed chamber 2-color printing with the dark gray. This 1 color, 2 color. This customer is with the green color and red color requirements. This is the drying system. You know, after the color printing drying, then we will not stick the roller for the embossing roller. Here is the steel to woolen paper embossing roller. You can do as your sample or we send you the sample or drawing for your to choose. This is the finished product embossing pattern. This is the triangle for the folding plate. Here the cylinder parts, 2 folding, another 2 folding. And here encode the control to the counting. You know, you can set on touch screen 100 or 200 pieces per pack. And here pencil cutting. And then, you know, with the auto transfer, because with this difference jump high, so you can with the finger to separate it. Here is the front of the auto transfer, and then go to the conveyor belt to the packing machine. This is the automatic packing machine. First, keep off your roll, and let's show you the sample from the product. This was 3-stack packing. Also can do 1 stack or 2 or 3 stack. Let's show you the sample here. 2-color printing, green and red. Also can date code to printing code on the products. And here is, you see here, 1 stack, 2 stack, 3 stack. You can also work in 1 stack or 2 stack or 3 stack in one machine.